Hello everyone! Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize your Christmas shelves. All your purses, all your bags, anything you want without an embroidery machine. Can you believe that? Christmas is coming, and if you customize your Christmas sewings, you will make them special and different, and everyone want them. And of course, you will raise your Christmas sales and you can make some extra money. So, you can customize your projects. You can put the name of the baby, or you can make a makeup bag and you can personalize it, or you can just make something special for someone special. Are you liking this idea? So please subscribe the channel, turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video, and check some videos because we have a lot of easy sewing projects. Let's work! On eBay, I bought a special paper sheet. It will help us. It's called Iron Adhesive Applique. I will leave on the description below the link where I bought it. Sheet has a kind of web, which that web will bond fabric to the fabric. It's like a web ironable something. Can I say ironable? That word exists? Well, I don't know. I will show you step by step everything. Stay with me. So here it is, the special sheet. As you can see, there is a shiny part. This part is the web, the thing that goes to bond to the fabric. And the other side of the sheet has a normal paper. So first you are going to print the words you want to customize on your project on the wrong way. In my case will be that, because it's a short word, and with this technique you can do bigger names, bigger words, as you like. You are going to cut a piece of paper of the special sheet, and you are going to put your word under the special sheet with the shining web face down, and we will copy it all. So I finished, I copied all. So now you are going to iron it on the wrong side of the fabric. So on my wrong side, shining face down, the paper, special paper, needs to be smaller than the fabric. Otherwise the web will be on your iron table. Be careful with the temperature, because different kinds of fabrics needs a different kind of temperature. Just a few seconds and it's all bound into the fabric. As you can see, it's bound now. So now we are going to cut it, all of letters. I always start to cut on the interior of the letters, otherwise we can damage, and these letters are very fragile. So let's cut it. Last one. Now we are going to iron it again into our final fabric. I have done a quick quilt with interfacing, as you can see. So if you want to know how to make a quick quilt, we already have a video on the channel. I will leave it on the cards. I have done a pink line with a pen who will disappear with a hot. So this line will be my guide, so the letters will not be on the wrong place. So now we need to rip off the white paper. Be gentle, please. Okay. So, and the web is now here on the fabric. So now we are going to put our letter. The letters now are on the right place, the place I wanted. So now I will iron it again. After this, we need to fix the letters on the fabric. Definitely, because if you wash like this, the letters will come off. So how we are going to do that? We are going to stitch all the letters around into our fabric. Are you liking of this idea? So give me a thumbs up so I can give you a big tip for this one. The big tip for this is you need to use the closest color you got on your thread, because it will help to cover any little mistake you will make. So now we are going to sewing here all the way around. I will show you. I will use the white thread so you can see every step I will make. This is not difficult. You just need to have a lot of patience, because it will be 1, 2 stitch and move, another 1, 2 stitch and move. But in the end, it will worth it, believe me. You see, sometimes on the straight ones, I use just a line on it without being like to this one, and the top one, I just use one. Let's go to the other one. So we finished, everything is done. As you can see, if we use the closest color of the thread, the mistakes you will make, they are barely noted. Okay, so it's very important of the matching of the color when are you doing this technique. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please on the comments below tell me what you think about this technique. Have a nice sewing Christmas. See you soon. Mwah.